Modal perfect is formed by a modal verb followed by the word have and a past participle. It is used to talk about past possibilities and speculations. For example, may have gone or might have seen express something that possibly happened in the past. This form helps us discuss things that may or might have occurred, but we are not certain about. The structure of modal perfect is modal verb plus have plus past participle. It expresses past possibilities or speculations about events. For example, may have gone means there is a chance someone went somewhere, but it is not confirmed. We use this to talk about uncertain past situations. Here are examples using may have and might have. She may have missed the meeting means there is a chance she missed it. They may have arrived early means it is possible they came early. He might have forgotten to call means he possibly forgot. These show past events that are not certain. May have and might have very similar meanings. Both express about 30% possibility that something happened in the past. You can often use them interchangeably. For example, she may have missed the train or she might have missed the train. Both suggest it is possible but not sure. May have and might have express past speculation or possibility with roughly equal meaning. They are used when we do not know what really happened. The structure is the same. Modal plus have plus past participle, and the subject does not change. Both forms are helpful for talking about uncertain past actions. Imagine John is not answering his phone on his day off. You could say he may or might have gone fishing. This means you think it is possible John went fishing, but you are not sure. Another example is wet ground in the morning without rain now. You could say it may or might have rained last night. These talk about possible past events. Now try filling in the blanks with may have or might have. For example, she blank forgot about the meeting could be she may have forgotten about the meeting. Use these modal perfect forms to express past possibility in your sentences. Practice will help you become comfortable using may have and might have. Here are the answers to the exercise. For the sentences, use may or might have followed by the past participle verb. For example, may or might have forgotten, arrived, missed, taken, left, seen, been, lost, called, or forgotten. These forms show past actions that possibly happened. You have completed the Modal Perfect series. Use may have and might have to talk about past possibilities and speculations. Regular practice will help improve your confidence and fluency. Keep exploring more English grammar topics to continue your learning journey.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.